Hello everyone. Today's our topic is a Java naming conventions. Today's date is a 10th November 2022. Now discuss about it. Java naming of a convention. The first of all is the Java naming of a convention is the rule of follow as you decide what do you name identifiers such as the classes, packages, variables, and constant, etc. But it is not a force to follow. So it is known as conventions of a not a rules. These conventions are to suggested by the survival to a Java communities to such as Sun Microsystem and Netscape. The all the classes, interfaces, and packages to a methods and fitted of Java programming to a language are according to the Java naming of a convention. If you fail to follow these conventions, it many of a it many of a generate of a codes. The discuss about it advantages of a naming of a convention in a Java. The standard for the Java naming of a convention you make to a code to a acer to read to yourself and other programmers to reliability of a Java programming is very important. It indicates that lays the code of does. The next one thing is a naming of naming of conventions of the different identifiers. That is identifiers types is class, interface, methods, that etc. The identifier classes type, and this is a rules for a naming of a convention. The first is a classes. Classes is it should the start which is the upper of a letters. It should be the such as the colors, bottoms, syntax, etc. Now the second one thing is a interface. Interface is a it should start with the uppercase of a letters. It should be the adjective of the adjective such of a runnable of a remote of a letters. Use of appropriate of the words to a instead of to a word. Now, third one thing is a method. Method is it should start to a lowercase of a letters, and second one thing it should be the wave of such as a main of a print and println. If the name of the contains to a multiples of a code start with a lowercase and lower cases to a letter to a followed by the upper cases letter such as the code. Now fourth is a variable. Variable is the it should be start the lower cases letters and such as the identified to the name. Fifth is the packages. Packages it should be the lower cases and the letter such as the Java. It is a 5 types to a identifiers of a naming of a conventions in a Java. Thank you.